If your SketchUp installer is failing, freezing, or showing a Setup.xml error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get SketchUp installed properly on Windows. These installation errors are usually caused by a corrupted download, missing administrator permissions, conflicts with Microsoft Visual C++ components, antivirus blocking the setup, or leftover files from a previous version. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot the issue and get SketchUp running again. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing I want you to check is whether the installer file itself is corrupted. If you see messages like the installation won't run, or if you get a setup.xml error, that often means the download didn't complete properly. In that case, delete the installer you already have and go back to the official SketchUp download page. Download the full offline installer again instead of using an incomplete file, because a fresh copy often fixes the problem immediately. Once the download is finished, don't just double-click it right away. Right-click the installer file and choose Run as Administrator. This is very important because SketchUp needs permission to write files into system folders, and without admin access, the installation can fail before it even starts. If your Windows account does not have administrator privileges, you may need to sign in with an admin account or ask someone with admin access to run the installer for you. Next, if the setup still fails, check for missing Microsoft Visual C++ components. SketchUp depends on updated Visual C++ redistributables, and if those files are missing or damaged, the installer may throw an error or stop halfway through. To fix that, go to Microsoft's official website and download the 2015 to 2019 Visual C++ redistributable package. Install it, restart your computer, and then try SketchUp again. This step is especially useful if the error message mentions C++ or a required runtime file. Another common cause is antivirus or firewall software blocking the installation. Some security tools can mistakenly treat the SketchUp installer as suspicious, even when it's safe. So, temporarily disable your antivirus and firewall while you run the installer, then turn them back on after installation is complete. Just make sure you are using the official SketchUp file before doing this. If you're upgrading from an older version of SketchUp, do not skip the cleanup step. Uninstall the previous version first, then restart your computer before installing the new one. Leftover files from an older installation can conflict with the new setup and cause strange errors during installation. After rebooting, run the latest installer again as administrator. If the install still doesn't work, try moving the installer to a simple folder like your desktop before launching it. Sometimes long file paths or compressed download locations can cause issues. Also, make sure your Windows is fully updated because missing system updates can interfere with installer components. At this point, if the error is still happening, recheck that your download is the correct version for your system and that the file is not partially corrupted. A fresh download, admin permissions, updated Visual C++, and a clean uninstall of the old version usually solve most SketchUp installation problems. Once SketchUp installs successfully, launch it one time to confirm everything is working properly. If it opens without errors, you're good to go. And if you were able to fix your SketchUp installation error using one of these steps, let me know in the comments which one worked for you. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more software fixes, setup guides, and troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.